We have reached chapter 3 of our course about fundamental cryptography in theory and Python, and with this reached a chapter which is all about the classic cryptography security goal, integrity. As a recap, the four classic security goals of cryptography are confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, and non-repudiation, and integrity as a security goal demands that the correctness and the completeness of information can be verified. Correctness of the information means that every bit of that information is exactly the 0 or the 1 it's expected to be, and completeness of information means that the information neither misses a single bit, nor does it have a single additional bit that's not supposed to be there. At this point, I suggest you to again pause the video and to think of integrity approaches that you may know from the analog world. Did you manage to come up with an integrity approach from the analog world? Great. Here is mine. I assume many of you are familiar with the process taking place when starting a new tenancy. Often, a new tenant, together with the landlady or landlord, goes through the flat, room after room, making notes and pictures of the flat, and with this, keeping a record of the state of the flat. These notes, together with the pictures of the flat, can then, at the end of the tenancy, be used to compare whether the flat is still in the same state as it was at the beginning of the tenancy, or in other words, whether the integrity of the flat was preserved during your tenancy. The notes and pictures are thus the means to capture the state of a very complex three-dimensional physical object in a concise and condensed manner. To summarize, what is the information in this example? The information in this example is simply just the flat itself, representing a large and complex object. What does it mean for the information to be correct and complete? Nothing in the flat is damaged and nothing is missing. What was the measurement taken and what was the measuring device? Pictures of the flat captured with a camera. How do these ideas of measurements and measuring device look like in cryptography? The pictures captured are what we will get to know as hash values, and the camera is what we will get to know as cryptographic hash functions.